Well, good morning, guys. Hey, just trying to catch a quick video for the market opens 7:30 Central. Short 20 contracts from 1268.3. Looking for a little bit of a pullback before they open, at least to the 50%. Retracement from the move from last night to early this morning. We have hit the 38.2 retrace. So we will see. That might have been it. I was a little bit early here on a higher time frame. This 69.1 is a 76.4 retrace from the high of yesterday to this low. Let's see. I will show you here. So if we took, I believe it's this high to this low. Well, nothing like stuff changing on you, but and you see right to the tick. So expecting, somewhat of a pullback to get the day going. I did a trade this morning as well on the ES just for a point. Let's see, I was a little late on this one as well, but you know, entered at 2109, exit 2108. Um, I was really looking, for a pullback from here to here to, the 7 range. It made it to, didn't make it to 7, but I didn't feel like hanging on to that, and it was just something I was looking to, you know, just get the day going and go from there. Come on, man. With this um, Cam Studio, I'm finding out that I'm not able to use my hotkeys for some reason. So I'll pause the video, and I'm one tick above the 50% trace, one tick above 61. As soon as we get down into the 50%, I'll try to make a decision to, cover all or not. Well, if we break this low, we're going to come down here for sure, but this one's a little more iffy. But I am seeing that we could get a deeper retrace first thing this morning before maybe taking off. So we'll just see how it goes. It might not want to come down there and get me, and it might. So I'll give you an update here shortly. All right, just give you an update. It came all the way back up to 1269.1. It got rejected again. So I'm just sitting here waiting. I've got my stop in right up here at the high. 1269.9 is the 89% retracement from yesterday's high to this low. So I'm just one tick above that. I believe if this breaks, it's going to go ahead and test the high from yesterday for sure. So we'll see how it goes. I've got pretty good confidence that we're going to come down here and get these before the market opens, or when the market opens. So I'll give you an update. I'll pause it, and we'll go from there. See y'all soon. Well, guys, I'm back. It's gone back up to 69.1. Back down. Didn't quite make it to the 38.2. It's bouncing around. It's going to take a little while. Um, just sitting here trying to be patient to see what this thing wants to do. So just wanted to give you a quick update. It's still hanging around in this area. Um, there's things don't start changing. Probably at the open, we're going to go up here and test the 69.9 area, but hopefully, it comes back, pulls back into the 50 or 61 before that happens to give me a good entry after the market opens. To you know to buy in this area. This 64.4 has been nice support, and if you go farther back, it was resistance a few days ago. Let's see, yeah, in this area. So that's from 6.3, 6.4. So come on. Get this back down. So we'll see how it goes. I just wanted to give you an update. I'm still holding, and we'll see if this turns out to be a winner or my first loser of the day. All right, I'm back. It's 15 minutes to the open. As you see, it's just bouncing back and forth. So we'll have to see. If it comes back down into this area, I might go ahead and just cover. If it does before the market open, where I don't get caught into this whipsaw right in the first 15 minutes of the open to see if something does set up for me. But I'm going to hold this as long as I can and see how it responds. I really believe my assumption at this point is we could have some buying right at the open to this 69.9, and then if you take a retracement from there, you'll probably have a little bit of retracement, and then we'll have to see how deep it is to give us a projection of where this thing might go today. So I just want to give you an update. As you see, it's just back above below my entry. I really should have gotten in up here. I just was looking at the wrong chart, so I should have been in at 69. So 7 ticks, then I would have been out here for sure a long time ago. But holding patient, see how things go, and I'll give you an update here shortly when things starts moving. We're getting a little bit of movement. 13 minutes away from the open, so we'll see if I get caught. But I'm hoping this thing goes ahead and retraces. If it comes down to the 38.2 again and slows down, if we start printing a couple bars here and it's hanging on, I might go ahead and cover half to reduce some of the risk that I've got exposed. So I'll give you an update here shortly. Okay, I'm back. It's just been 1 minute. We did come back down to the 67.3 to the tick. We've bounced 5 ticks up, so I'm seeing the pressure to get down to the least. From what I'm seeing on some of the higher time frames, it really looks like we'll at least make it down here to the 50. It just kind of stinks. I was really thinking that they would do that, bring it down before the open. So we will see. This thing might go ahead and bounce from here. It broke it a little bit higher high. Now it's hit it to the tick. If it starts getting back up into this area, about an 80% shot that it's going to 69.9 then right at the open. So I'll give you an update. I'll keep you posted. All right, I'm back. Getting a little bit of push down. It needs to break this 67.3. That's all I'm waiting on. You got 5 minutes to the market open. It is slowing down a little bit, so we'll we got a quick bar up, quick bar down. Now it's hovering in this area, so I'll give it a little bit longer. I really believe they're probably just going to drop this down to the 50, and that might be all she wrote for the market open. We'll see. If not, I might, pull up and cover half here. I'll give you an update as soon as I figure out exactly what I plan on doing. I'll be back for the market open if I'm still in it, and we'll go from there. All right, guys. I'm not sure if my mic's been on mute this whole time or not. If it has, sorry. Anyway, I'm short from 1268.3. Debating to go ahead and cover some before the open. I've been holding this since this area. Should have shorted to 69 even. It was a 76% retrace from yesterday's high from this low. Looking for a pullback into the 50 to 61.8% area, at least at the open, but it keeps bouncing off this 67.3. So I might, if it can't get down here, I might go ahead and cover, because I do. If it can't get down here, I see 69.9 coming. That's 89% retrace from the high of yesterday to the low here. So that's where we're at. Here we go. Market is open. Let's see.
Order
right.
canceled. Order.
There we go.
Canceled.
Let's see if I'm right. I hate holding into the open. Well, there you go. Not having patience will get you every time. When exactly to target. Let's see if the 61.8 holds. Does not look like it is. So we might be coming down to the 64.9, 65 area. Come on, guys. Let's see. Where are we going? All right, I'm going to take a shot here at 65.8.
Order filled.
10 tick stop. All right. All right, so let's see where this thing could go.
Order pending.
I didn't get the order in the right place.
Order pending. Order
all right,
filled.
taking half of it there. Should have had that number in my head already. I'm going to go ahead and move this up, move my stop. This thing's going to come back down. That was a perfect retrace for in the morning, down to the deep retrace, back to 61.8. Let's see here. Let me go ahead and mark. So 68.2. All right, so 65.9. Would really like to hold, to hold the 66.3 area, and then we've got an opportunity to come up here for the deep retrace from this move here to 76.8. So the stop's in place, break even. If it gets hit, we've had some good trades. All right, you got me. There's an opportunity. This thing. You booger. Well, that's how it goes. That's how it goes. Get this out of the way. Got 27.50 in the books already this morning. So I will sit back, see how this thing pans out for the morning. There you go. Ah, man. I should have had to stop down here at the low, but there you go. There's the 68 too. Everybody have a great day, and it was nice talking to you.